I have good news. The Master Resale Rights digital product is live and it is hot. And if you don't have it and you are a digital marketer, you want this, you need this, you must grab this because it is hot on the market right now and it is going to explode in 2023. So if you're interested in learning about the Master Resale Rights program, maybe you want to check it out, you should go to my link and grab it. Just check it out because guys, this is how what it is you can actually download this digital product and make it yours. You can brand yourself, put your name on it, put your logo, put your colors, everything you want, create a community around it so you become the coach, or you can leverage the community I am in and just start marketing your own digital product with your name on it and earn 100% of the profit. And I am totally in love with this because one, it's going to be hot. Two, I love being able to create something that everybody sees me. I love that. And I'm here sharing it with you. So check it out. It's amazing. If you want more deets, you know where to go.